Hi everyone, here we've got the OPPO A53 from 2020 and let me show you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's tap on the security. Now let's scroll down and here we've got the whole credential storage section and at the very bottom of it we've got remove all user certificates option, so let's tap on it. Here we've got the warning and your device is asking you if you really want to remove all the contents, so let's tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or PIN, then enter it to confirm the whole step, and as you can see the credential storage has been erased successfully. So that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your OPPO A53 from 2020. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.